Hey everybody. So I'm trying to get some last minute prep for school and school lunches. We're going back to modified school. And tonight I'm gonna be making some soft chocolate chip cookies. And the recipe's a little bit different. There's a little bit more of some ingredients, and then I kind of change things up with the chocolate chips. But stick around and let's make some cookies. All right, it's late, but we got all of our cookies made. We've got about 12 dozen, and so we'll just bag them and put them in the freezer, and the kids just grab them when they're fixing their lunches in each night. Sometimes we'll put 2 to a bag or 1 to a bag. I really like the snack Ziploc bags that are kind of longer and more thin. And it just puts 2 little tiny ones in there. And that's about it. So there's chocolate chip cookies and our Cookie Monster. Okay, we hope you guys have a good day and, try a cookie recipe. See ya. Thanks for watching.
Bye.